Well, here we are again, trying to deal with this window. I'm about to start stripping and re-varnishing the coach roof, but I did have a small leak on this window that I re-sealed last year. However, taking off the trim and cleaning off the adhesive, I noticed that this is the source of my leak. The glass is actually loose in there. So the adhesive must have not stuck too well on the inside, so I will have to deal with that and reseal that. Instead of using the Boat Life, I may use some butyl tape this year instead of the Boat Life. And I'll have to check out all these screw holes and make sure that they can actually hold the screw, because they've been in and out a few times, so I don't know if they're stripped. But this was an unexpected repair that I had to do, in addition to stripping the coach roof. So this shouldn't be too hard. I'll pry the window out a little bit and put the adhesive on the inside and then push it in. I'll push this in with some wood or something to hold that in while it sets for a few days, and then I will continue on. But this is just a little update on this project from last year. So I'm kind of disappointed, but it is what it is. It's the joys of owning a boat. Okay, made a little bit of progress on this repair. So I did clean out the gap around the glass around here, the part that was popping out. So I cleaned it all out on the inside and the outside, and then I decided to use a piece of angle aluminum here to hold the glass in the right location. So now I can put some adhesive, Boat Life, on the inside and the outside, and let it sit for a couple weeks till it gets really hard. And I'll probably just leave this bracket on for a while anyways, just to ensure that the adhesive hardens really well while I do the coach roof. So I just don't want to have another leak. So I will clean out the gap a little more around the rest of it and put some Boat Life in there. And then when I put the trim back on, I will probably use some butyl tape on that. So that's where we are now. I didn't want to set this too far into the boat because I need some adhesive on the inside. I don't want it directly on the wood, so I didn't want to push it too hard. So at least this will give me some even pressure on the glass and keep it on the right plane. So that's where we are now. I'm going to go on the inside of the boat and tape up the window and put some adhesive on. Okay, we're on the inside of the boat, and I just put some adhesive on the inside of the glass. So what I did was I actually backed off those screws holding that bracket on the outside to widen the gap a little bit. And then I put some tape on the inside, and then I squirted some Boat Life caulk into the groove on the end where it wasn't sticking. So I squirted it in pretty good. Now I'm going to wipe it down, and we need to let it sit for, they say, 7 to 10 days. I may give it 2 weeks before I take that bracket off, and then I will seal the outside gap. But I just wanted to get this done once and for all and not have it look like crap. So I think we're good now. I'm going to wipe this down and take off the tape. Okay, so I have one piece of tape off, so making some progress. Now I'll take the rest of the tape off and then just let this sit till it cures. Okay, have the rest of the tape off. Really happy with the way it looks. So got the bedding down, nice. You can see the black line of the caulk. So that's actually going to make a nice bed for the glass to sit in, and the bracket on the outside will hold the glass against the wood, and that should be good. So we'll just let this sit for a few weeks, and then I will caulk the outside but in the meantime I will start working on the taking off the varnish on the trunk. Thanks for watching.